Bhiwani branch, CA Handy Gupta ji, Vice Chairman Bhiwani branch, CA Sachin Goyal ji, Secretary Bhiwani branch, and all other committee members and CA fraternity members and all the present here. We all have gathered here to attend the PPT competition and debate competition held by the Bhiwani branch of NIRC. I am extremely honored and feel proud to the opportunity to address everyone in this event. The motto of this event is to inspire and motivate the young minds to exhibit their skills. First of all, we begin with the program on behalf of everyone. I am warmly welcome the inaugurated Chief Guest Honor, Mr.
य एष सुप्तेषु जाग्रति य एष सुप्तेषु जाग्रति कामं 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 कामपुरुषो पुरुषो निर्मिमाणः निर्मिमाणः तदेव शुक्रं तदेव शुक्रब्रह्मा तद्ब्रह्मा तदेवामृतमुच्यते तस्मिन् लोकः
We welcome CA Sachin Goyal ji and Executive Member Tarun Agarwal ji to honor the judge CA Andy Gupta ji. Please put the hand together. We welcome Secretary CA Sachin Goyal ji, Executive Member Tarun Mittal ji to honor the judge CA Pawan Kumar Mittal ji. Please put the hand together. We welcome CA Sachin Goyal ji and Tarun Mittal ji to honor the judge CA Shweta Agarwal. Please the big hand.
Loneliness. The main point during the lockdown is loneliness. That the people who are very lonely just has the negative impact on us. And smiling is just it can be improved by using the smiling therapy. So now there is a question all people minds that what should I do? What should I do to be every time smile? So what should I do? There is always a reason to smile. You have to just find it. In which environment we live, we going on. Whenever guys you stuck in a situation and faces the powerless situation, just take a look in the mirror and say to your own self, don't forget to smile. Don't forget to smile.
These are some topics we are going to discuss today. Now, first of all, what are electric cars? As the name suggests, electric means electricity. The car which is run by electricity instead of fuel or petrol. And this electricity is recharged by the renewable resources like wind, solar, hydroelectric power plants. Now, let us know about the history of the ancient cars. These cars get the popularity from the ancient time, like from the 19th century or early 20th century. At that time also, these cars have the very speed and distance records, and they compete with the petroleum fuel cars also. And these are some glimpses of ancient electric cars. Now, know about the parts of electric cars. Electric car contains minimal parts. It contains only 3 parts: battery, controller, AC/DC motor. And what is the mechanism? First, there is a battery and a controller and a motor. Between the motor and the battery, there is a controller which controls the car. Now, what's the working? How does it work? It's very simple. When the driver presses the accelerator, it sends the signal to the controller. And when the car is fully accelerated, a voltage is applied to the motor. There are two potential motors which are connected and which shows the same deviation. And voltage is applied and car moves. This is the simple working of the electric cars. Now we are going to implement the electric cars in India. So we need to know what is the requirement of electric cars. So first of all, it runs with electricity. Therefore no smoke, there is no engine, therefore no smoke. Obviously it contributes to cleaner air. And it saves fuel also, petrol, so it preserves fossil fuels also. Because of continuous of only 3 parts, there is less maintenance required, more efficient and cost effective too. Now, what are the types of electric cars on the road today? There are 3 types of electric cars: battery electric vehicle, plug-in hybrid electric vehicle, and third one is hybrid electric vehicle. And now about some details. What is battery electric vehicles? This is the car, basically we talk about the entirely on a battery and electric driven train, and which is powered by electricity. You can see. Second one is plug-in hybrid electric vehicle. What is this? This mostly on a battery basis car, which is recharged by the battery. But in case when the battery is low or power is required, so for the convenience of the consumer, there is an internal engine also which recharge the battery and replace the electric driven train. Third one is hybrid electric cars. This contains the 2 complementary drive systems: gasoline engine, fuel tank also, and electric motor, battery and controls also. Basically both the features of normal car and the electric one. Both work simultaneously to drive the car. Now electric cars in India, we are going to implement this concept in India, so we have to know about who are the manufacturers of electric cars in India. So Mahindra, Chevrolet, Toyota, they have launched electric cars in India. The first EV Riva back model of Mahindra. And here one more point, Tesla is one of the top manufacturers of electric cars. He is enjoying the benefit of positive carbon footsteps. Do you know about what is positive carbon footsteps? Positive carbon footsteps are the emissions in the carbon in the environment, emission of carbon in the environment. So Tesla is the company which is enjoying the benefits of the minimal carbon emissions in the environment. There are some other cars also. Hyundai i10 Electric. It can be driven 160 kilometers when fully charged. One more, Chevrolet e-Spark. And it will save 1,892 liters of petrol every year if driven for 64 kilometers every day. Now, to implement this concept and to encourage consumers and manufacturers towards EVs, government should take some steps and reforms. And government is playing its role by framing some policies. First one is FAME, faster adoption and manufacturing of hybrid and electric vehicles. And this policy is run in 2 phases. First is providing direct subsidies and grants to the consumers and producers to promote towards the EVs. And second one is government gives an impetus of 10,000 crores to the budget of 2019. And some many state governments also play this role by taking some steps. It will develop 2,375 public and semi-public charging stations across the 7 major urban areas and 4 connecting national highways. And there is one interesting point. Government takes a very positive step to, in the favor of consumers. When SSC pays interest on the loan taken to buy EVs, he will get an exemption of 1,50,000 under Section 80 EEB. This is a very favorable step. Now, as for comparison, it's very simple. As for electric cars driven by electricity and combustion cars driven by petrol. And as for price, electric cars slightly higher because of the expensive batteries, and combustion cars are comparatively cheaper. Electric cars don't produce any pollution, and combustion cars produce harmful gases. And because of the continuance of minimal parts, electric cars need very minimal running costs and maintenance, and combustion costs requires a huge maintenance cost also. Now, what are the advantages? This is very simple. This is not a big deal as there are many advantages of electric cars. First of all, it's cheaper as the price of electricity is much cheaper than petrol. Second one, the zero harmful emissions to the environment as there is no engine, no smoke, and batteries are completely recyclable. There is no any non-biodegradable environment to the environment, and because of no sounds, they produce no noise pollution also. Talk about the disadvantages. As we all know, every coin has two faces, so there are some disadvantages also. First of all, this is I think the main disadvantage: time required to recharge the battery. I think it takes 7 to 8 hours to recharge the battery. And at present, India has this disadvantage: the less charging stations. India is facing this disadvantage. Currently, there are less charging stations in India, and due to the expensive batteries, the prices are higher. And because of the weight of the battery, the weight of the car also increases. As for conclusion, you can see through the graph the comparison on the basis of fuel cost, annual maintenance cost, and carbon emissions. This graph shows how electric cars much better than the combustion cars, and future of EVs is much brighter because we have sufficient lithium reserves also to power 4 billion electric cars. And because there are some disadvantages, some may say these are not beneficial for India, but I think if we are going to implement this and we implement this in India, then we must cope up with the disadvantages also and make electric cars more eco-friendly and environment-friendly for the environment. Thank you.
Thank you, Hina, for your valuable consideration for the electronic cars.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Pargal, and today I am here in front of you to give my PPT on the topic of smiling therapy, positive effects on mental health. Now, my first question from all of you is, what is the most pleasing 5-letter word? Yeah, the most pleasing 5-letter words are not money, not worry, not sorry. It's S, M, I, L, E. It's smile. Now we should know the meaning of smile. Smile is a facial expression in which our whole face works, and we use this to express the feeling of joy, happiness. We use to express the feeling of our immune system. We use this to smile. Now it's the free therapy. There is no one in this world who can charge cost from us for our smile. Today we people are running behind these materialistic things. The materialistic things which we can buy for money, we are running behind these things. We are not focusing on the things that the God provides us as a free of cost. We must focus on them because at the end of the day, it doesn't matter whether you look pretty, good, not, stronger, beautiful. The only thing that matters whether you are happy or not. Now, which muscles do we use while we smile? We use muscles related to our nose, nostrils, our forehead related muscles, our eyelids related muscles, neck muscles, upper lip muscles, the lower lip muscles. So we can say that our whole face muscles work while we smile. Smile makes us to active all the muscles of our face. Now, everyone we are saying that we should smile, we should smile. Is there any reason behind this so we should smile? Yeah, there are so many positive effects of it. That's why we are saying that we should smile. Now there are some common reasons. It helps us to live longer. It doesn't add years to our life. It adds life to our years. It helps us to reduce the level of stress of our mind. Sometimes we get so much stress, we get so much anxiety. It's the smile which helps us to reduce that stress level. It helps us to change our mood from even in a single second. It helps us to change our mood from angry to happiness. It is contagious. It spreads from one person to another. Don't keep it to yourself. Always try to spread it as much as you can. It strengthens our immune system. Our immune system gets maintained when we smile. Even we also feel that when we hear some bad news, we feel low. Why? Because our immune system gets disturbed. It's the smile which maintains our immune system very properly. It also keep our blood pressure level very maintained. We will see that today in a young generation also suffer from the problem of high BP. Why? Because they suffer from anger, from tension. It is a smile which maintains it properly. It reduces the level of pain. Today everyone is going through some pain. Even we ask anyone, everyone is going through even a single pain also. So it's our choice whether we smile or by crying we go through this pain. Choice is always ours. It is always in our hand. It helps us to look us attractive. Nothing we wear is more important than a smile. Smile is the prettiest thing which one can wear. If you don't wear a smile, it doesn't matter whatever clothes you wear. It helps us to stay positive in a negative situation also. If we in a negative situation and if we smile and say ourselves, yeah, it's okay, we can think very okay and we can think peacefully. So we can say that why should we smile? Because for our positiveness, for our joy, for our pleasure. Now, why people are unhappy? Why there is so much angriness in them? Why? Because we overthink on a single topic also. If someone says to us anything, we think on that topic also even for a whole day. And this disturbs our mind. So we should not overthink on a single topic. If it doesn't matter to you, then let it be. Why focus on that thing? So how can we overcome the problem of overthinking? By meditation. Meditation is the best remedy which one can do. It really reduces the level of stress and it provides that relaxation level which we can't imagine in our life. Now what we get from meditation? We will get peace. It always comes from within. Never seek it without. Many times our life gets stuck. We need to refresh our life again and again. We just don't need to press the refresh button on mobile, on internet, on web browser. We need to press the refresh button of our mind also, so that we can experience the best quality of life. Now, our former president, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam sir, also told us that we need to be calm in every situation with a beautiful smile on face, so that we can handle the situation very properly. Whenever you feel depressed, always say these 5 lines to yourself. I'm the best. I can do it. God is always with me. I'm a winner. Today is my day. Now, why we feel depressed? Because we think that we are the only one who suffer from this problem. There is no one in this world who suffer from the same problem. But we are wrong. Our ISA logo, in which there is a symbol of eagle, it also teaches that problem is common to all, but it's our attitude that matters. Attitude matters a lot. तारक मेहता का उल्टा चश्मा shows also teaches us that problems तो है सबके साथ, बस नजरिए की है बात. Eagle also teaches us that we must learn to live alone. We must learn to live happy in alone also. Today we seek some people who make us happy. We depend on others for our happiness. Why? If you feel alone, always ask yourself, as I'm in a good relationship with yourself, I am in a good company with yourself. If you are miserable alone, I'm sorry, your partner will be miserable with you. So we must learn to vibe alone and make us happy. Now it's a very good slide. If focus in life, life will definitely get changed. Do you have a problem in life? No? Then why worry? Yes? Can we do something about it? Yes. Then why worry? No? Then why worry? Focus on this slide. Do you have any problem in life? No? Then why worry? Yes. We can do something about it. Yes. Then why should worry? Let's do it now. We can't do anything about it. Then why should we worry? Because if we cannot do anything about it, it is not a problem. It is a truth which we have to accept in our life. Because math teaches us that every problem has a solution. If the problem doesn't have a solution, it is not a problem. It is a truth which we have to accept. Now, if we are happy, we are satisfied with our life, it's good. But if we are able to make others happy too, it's also more good. You work hard, you make money, you do it for yourself. That's not life. You go out, you seek for people who need your help, you make their life better. You become that sponge which can absorb all the negativity, and you become the person who can emit beautiful positive vibes. And when you realize that you have changed someone's life, that is the day when you leave. So I want to say that we must lead a beautiful, pleasant, peaceful life with a beautiful smile on the face, and we should say, love you zindagi, love you zindagi, love you zindagi, love me zindagi. Thank you.
I have no words. You are the best. लेकिन मेरी एक प्रॉब्लम है, कल मार्केट के अंदर गया, ऐसे घर रह गए। प्रॉब्लम है, क्या करूं? अभी पारुल ने बताया कि अगर कोई प्रॉब्लम है तो पता करो सॉल्यूशन है या नहीं है। मेरी बात का सॉल्यूशन लेकर के आ रहे हैं प्रशांत गुप्ता ऑन द डिजिटल वॉलेट।
Morning to everyone. My name is Prashant Gupta, and I really thanks to you. I really thanks to Bhimani branch for giving me an opportunity to present myself in front of you. Today, I present a PPT on the topic impact of digital wallet on economy. My PPT has two parts. In first part, I make you understand what are digital wallet, what are its advantages, and some pictures related to them. And in second part, I can make understand to you what are the impact of digital wallet on economy with the help of news. Now I start my PPT. But before start PPT, I say to you, my PPT is little bit interactive, so you are invited to take part in. Now I start. What are digital wallet? Digital wallet is a software-based device, secure payment details, and user can quickly and conveniently make transactions. Now, what are the advantages of digital wallet? Digital wallet advantages is in-store and online payments, managing debit and credit cards, storing financial data. Mobile wallets put a safeguard against fraudulent activities, which are now increasing day by day. Mobile wallets are also have encrypted keys. Now you can see some pictures related to digital wallets. First Paytm, second Bhim app, third Buddy, MobiKwik, Google Pay, and PhonePe app. Now I can say that you all hear about a phrase, a picture is worth of 1,000 words. यानी कि एक चित्र 1000 शब्दों के बराबर होता है। तो आप देखिए मोबिक्विक के बराबर में एक सिंबल बना हुआ है लोग का। What does this symbol mean? Yes. This symbol means security, reliability, confidence, trust, on which we have to maintain on digital wallet. This is the reason that digital wallets can now improve day by day. Now, what are the methods of digital wallets and other digital wallets? Debit and credit card, smart cards, internet banking, USSD. मोबाइल वॉलेट की मार्केट आने वाले टाइम में इतनी ज्यादा हो जाएगी कि आप ग्राफ के थ्रू दे सकते हैं। Now, I can show a video to you which makes crystal clear understand what are the digital wallets and is used increasingly.
Most e-wallets come with smartphone apps, but there are biometric solutions too. Soon your own hand might replace your wallet. The scanner authorizes the payment and that's it. Businesses are picking up on the trend and offering more e-wallet payment services. Facebook even announced its own app recently, but which one is right for me? That might depend on where you live and what you plan to use it for.
A bouquet of flowers without any cash? To many, it's already an ordinary part of daily life. E-wallets let users pay quickly and easily. There's a wide range of apps to choose from. You can get e-wallets through your bank. Then it's basically an extension of your regular account on your smartphone. Other e-wallets are connected to your mobile plan. They conduct transactions via text message. There is also a growing number of other providers, whether global players for worldwide payments like Google Pay or PayPal, or e-wallets for certain countries and currencies like Alipay in China or Paytm development. or is topped up in cash. The app
You can just scan a QR code and the money comes directly from your bank account.
Now you are crystal clear about that digital wallet can use in India as well as in foreign and at very great rate. Now my PPT has second part started. In this part I make you understand that how digital wallet impact on economy with the help of newspaper headlines. The Economic Times. Economic Times said that Paytm become India's first platform to accept international remittances directly into digital wallet. Now, what does this report say? That it helped 333 million people to receive money from their relative residing in abroad, and Paytm makes partnership with Ria Money Transfer and become first platform to accept international remittances. Now, second news. This news also relevant from Economic Times. A bank in the wallet. RBI has just taken Indian banking to the next stage. Now, what does this report say? That digital wallet becomes payment system has captured a significant market and completely revolutionized the system. By 2018, almost 8% of the people use digital wallets. Now, this matter relates to RBI. Now, we can also listen message from RBI governor how they improve the digital wallet market.
Dear friends, we are going through very difficult times due to the spread of coronavirus. At this point of time, we should take all precautionary measures. One major way of protecting ourselves from coronavirus would be to use all kinds of digital payments, including debit cards, credit cards, and various mobile apps. Pay digital, stay safe.
You can see that how RBI governor also boosts the digital wallet in the economy. Now, the third report, World Bank report said that digital payment vital to economic growth, means digital payment boosts the economy. Now, what does this report say? That increasing the financial independence of women from a cash-only economy. Now, report examined for the first time that how digital payment offer immediate benefit for both sender and receiver. Now, what are the digital wallet impacts on retail sector? It is cheaper for government since it is expensive to produce regular physical currency. Crime will be reduced. Payment will be occur almost instantly. Now, what are the digital wallet impacts on consumer? Tap to pay purchases, unified payment method, automatic redemption offers, wallet that can be remotely locked. Now, what are the disadvantages of physical wallet? Theft, overspending, heavy wallets, no money. This all makes the person very irritative. Now, I assume that all people here are belongs from commerce background. Now I like my words. जैसे एक ऑडिट करने वाली फर्म के ऊपर आईसीआई के द्वारा इशू किया गया स्टैंडर्ड लगता है, स्टैंडर्ड ऑन क्वालिटी कंट्रोल। तो इसी प्रकार से क्या डिजिटल वॉलेट के ऊपर भी कोई एक ऐसी गवर्निंग बॉडी होनी चाहिए जो ऑथराइज कर सके, जो अवेयर कर सके पीपल्स को? यस, बताइए, होनी चाहिए कि यस। तो अब देखिए, उसके ऊपर एक गवर्निंग बॉडी है आरबीआई। अब आरबीआई कैसे अपने थ्रू लोगों को अवेयर कर रही है? These are the news which we can see in daily life, but does not focus on them. Now, I can clearly understand. I can assume that you are clearly understand about the digital wallet, its advantages, its impacts on digital economy, on economy. Thank you.
Good afternoon, our chief guest. Good afternoon, our respected branch member, and good afternoon, my dear friends. My name is Manisha Goyal. I am CA Finance student. I am here to talking about smiling health, the positive impacts on our mental health. Before I start the presentation, I would request all of you to smile with me. Smile. Then this topic will be discussed. What is the most chosen 5-letter word? Money? Money? No. pay income tax, then is it more pleasant? So, what is the most pleasant 5-letter word is smile. That it increases your face value. Smiling actually tricks your brain into thinking that you are happy. Then what is smiling therapy? Smiling therapy releases endorphins, that is happy hormones, which makes a person happier and feel more positive. A scientific American study found that facial expression, such as smiling, can improve one's mood and increase positive thoughts. When we smile, our brain releases 3 types of hormones: dopamine, serotonin, and endorphin. These all hormones are happy hormones, which reduces our stress level. Then, how the smiling therapy come into existence? Then the question is, who developed the smiling therapy? Then the answer is, smiling therapy was first developed by Indian physician Dr. Madan Kataria in his book Laugh for No Reason. Kataria's first laughter yoga session began on 13th March 1995 in Mumbai. As it is more pleasant to hear that there are more than 8,000 laughter clubs as clinic in 65 countries. And in our India, West Bengal, Kolkata has hospital-based laughter clinic for individual patients who are made to laugh by reading jokes or watching comic videos. Then talk about benefits of smiling therapy, how it impacts our physical health and social health and our mental health benefits. And how it impacts our physical health benefits. It boosts our immune system, it prevents heart disease, it reduces our blood pressure level and decreases pain and increases muscle traction. Then what are the benefits? What are the positive impacts on our mental health of smiling therapy? Smiling therapy relieves stress. Stress can really show up in our faces. जैसे हम एग्जाम में मैं प्रेजेंटेशन दे रही हूँ, stress can really be shown in our faces. But मैं smile helps to prevent us from looking tired and overhand. Smile makes you look younger. Everything wants to look younger. But we smile, muscles we use to smile to lift the face, making the person younger. Smiling is contagious. When someone is infected by diseases, then other will also be infected. Smiling it is the same reaction with smiling. When one person is smiling, other person will also smile. When someone is smiling, they lighten up the room. Smiling person brings happiness with them. Smiling makes you seem successful. If you happiness doesn't come from success, but success doesn't come from happiness. Happiness comes from but smiling makes you feel successful. Successful people appear more confident. So put on a smile at meetings and appointments. People will react differently. And smiling changes the mood. Next time, in many times you are feeling down. Then put a smile on your face, and this will absolutely change your mood. And smiling is a natural thing. My topic is smiling therapy, positive impacts on our mental health. Why mental health is given so much importance? We hear a lot about physical health, keeping our bodies healthy. But mental health and wellness is just as important, keeping your mind and emotion healthy. Mental health is important at every stage of life, from childhood, adult, and aging. So our World Health Organization has given so much importance to mental health. 10th October, World Mental Health Day is celebrated each year, and this year also, 10th October 2021. And the theme was Mental Health Care for All, and let's make it reality. They are analyzing some data, and I fetched some data from there. They estimate that 7.5% Indians suffer from mental illness, and they predict that by the end of this year, 20% of India will suffering from mental illness, and in numbers, 56 million suffer from depression and 38 million suffer from anxiety disorders. And our psychiatrists, there is a huge shortage of psychiatrists psychiatrists and psychologists in the country as compared to the number of people suffering from mental health issues. So we need to think about it. Since 2 years, we are facing COVID-19 situation. As we know, pandemic is dangerous, but loneliness is also dangerous. So, where the world is yet to find a permanent solution to the COVID-19 for boosting the immune system, but the solution is there. People can boost their immune system by doing smiling therapy for 10 to 15 minutes, and which will decrease our stress level by 35%. It is going to be the perfect Sunday to start with the smiling therapy. So smile with me, smile. And picture says it's 1,000 of words. Smile for no reason. See this picture. When we are feeling down, then try this way. Put a pencil in your lips in just a right way. You will feel happier. You think that it is fake, but this result is very reliable because this picture says that कि our faces, our brain, हमारा brain हमारी body की position को continuously read करता है, and this position, this posture shows that we are smiling. And what I mean to clearly say that fake smile has also the same positive results on our mental health as the real smile. As we heard from the childhood, Bhagavad Gita, our most religious, Bhagavad Gita has the answer of one question. What about smiling therapy? Yes, Bhagavad Gita is also the answer, the same is the question. In chapter 2 of Bhagavad Gita, Arjun asked from Shri Krishna, how you can handle, how you are smiling in all situations. Shri Krishna said that even in the war situation, how it could be possible? Shri Krishna ji said that he is always aware of living in the present. If you want to be happy right now, as happiness is always in the present. So remove sorrow and always be present. In conclusion, I want to say that smiling therapy की हमने काफी benefits देखे हैं. Our most religious Bhagavad Gita भी कहती है. So in colleges, institutions, corporate, small session of smiling therapy should also be organized, because let all your action not to be for happiness, let it come out of happiness. Smiling releases endorphins and promotes physical health and mental social benefits in our lives. Instead of becoming happy, be happy now or never. I would like data यहाँ से लिया है. And thank you. Keep smiling. Never ever keep up. Smile. Because smile करने में कोई टैक्स नहीं लगता. So smile.
थैंक यू मनीषा. अभी थोड़े दिन पहले पापा से बात हो रही थी, तो पापा ने बताया कि एक पर्सन बैंक में पोल्ट्री फॉर्म के लिए लोन लेने कहा विजिट करेंगे. कुछ दिन के बाद लोन विजिट साइट विजिट करने के लिए बैंक वाले गए. पूछा क्या खिलाते हैं? बोला जी खिलाना क्या है, खुला छोड़ देता हूँ मैदान में, जो जिंद में खा लेती है. तो उनका जिद हो रहा कुछ नहीं खिलाता, मर जाएगी, लोन कहाँ से देगा? बाबूजी अगली बार ध्यान रखो. कुछ दिन के बाद बैंक वाले सेकंड विजिट के ऊपर जाते हैं, पूछते हैं क्या खिलाते हैं? बोलो सर किस काजू खिलाता हूँ, बादाम खिलाता हूँ, किससे खिलाता हूँ, किसका लोन कैंसिल करो. इतना मुर्गों को खिलाएगा तो लोन कहाँ से देगा? लास्ट बस आखिरी गलती माफ करो. कुछ दिन के बाद बैंक वाले वापस से गए, पूछते हैं क्या खिलाते हो? बोला जी मैं नहीं खिलाता कुछ भी, सुबह पहले चोंच में 10 रुपए का नोट टांग देता हूँ, बाजार दो दिन नया खाए. कीप स्माइलिंग.
A very warm good afternoon to GBS, to respected members and audience. Today I am standing here in front of you to present the topic dealing with eating disorders in teens. So first of all, I would highlight what eating disorders exactly means. It means it's a mental state, it's a mental negativity where you consume something abnormal and which affects negatively not only just your body but your mental health too. So the next one is what teen exactly means. An age group which contains 10 to 19 years. Almost everyone is a teen maybe. And if it comes to India, 25 crore 13 lakh teens we cover, which means 253 million are teens. Every fifth person is a teen in India. Now, what eating disorders in teens which they follow? The first is eating a large amount of food in a very short period. Almost everyone do that because of our busy schedule, because of teaching, because of anything. The second one is restrict food over exercise, which has been followed by many of us. Doing so much exercise and putting yourself on weight losing, eating less is the second one reason. Now the third one is eat non-food items. That doesn't mean eating wooden items and plastic. It simply means eating that food which doesn't have proper vitamins, proper carbohydrates, and proper that nutrition which nourishes your body. The fourth one is eat undigested and minimal food. Maybe you eat very fast so that the food keeps undigested, or maybe you used to eat undigested items. Now, if it comes to the what effects it means, what effect this eating disorders put on your body and your mental health, it simply has three: depression, anxiety, and substance abuse. Depression and anxiety are inversely changeable, where one feels lonely, one puts them in a room, only discuss with, they have their own world. They used to talk less, they never talk either. And consuming substances which are not favorable for your body, like drugs, alcohol, and anything. This trend is going so abnormal, eating abnormal things, substance. Now, causes of developing eating disorders in teens. The first is biological. Maybe you have genetic, maybe you have from your mother, father, or maybe from your siblings. So don't blame yourself. The second one is psychological and emotional issues. Suppose I'm in a result days or in an exam days, we used to eat less. We found ourselves in our stomach that I am not hungry, I doesn't have appetite, which means you are having psychological issues that you are not going to eat. Does your exam first heading promotes you that don't eat or don't come after having proper food in the exam hall? No. That environmental. If I stand in a group where all my friends are having burger, then it's a 100% chance I will have to. That's the environmental factor. Modern Western culture. The fourth one is favorite activities. Sometimes we all are engaging in those activities where we used to ignore or almost forget to eat. Now, how to deal with these eating disorders? First one is, please speak out. Speak out with your family and friends. Because at the ultimatum, your family is going to support you in every problem. With your friends, they are similar age as you have. They are going to support you. The second one is be patient. Don't be nervous and don't have that I am going to have a disorders. Be patient. Everything has a solution. The third one is treatment. Of course, medical treatment can solve anything. Our medical science has developed so forth. The fourth one is therapy. This is my favorite, where you can treat by any individual, any family group, and any group. If I comes to myself, I am the example of these eating disorders. Because of my long coaching hours, I used to eat less or maybe used to eat very frequent. I have to deal almost 1.5 hours to getting rid of these disorders. I am not ashamed because at the end, I came over it. Now I have a better solution and I have counseled 5 to 8% regarding these eating disorders. Now, support and encourage. If you can't lift someone up, please don't lift them down. If you can't support them, please don't shame and blame on them about their weight, about their fat, about their things. Please don't blame and shame. And please believe on yourself. Don't blame on yourself that you are having disorders and you are fat. Maybe it's not because of you. Now, at the end, I was just like, I would highlight that please eat healthy and eat right, which means eat healthy foods which have proper proteins and eat at the right position at the right time. Thank you. And is there any query? And have a nice day. Thank you.
Valuable points for in respect of the eating disorders. हम सब लोगों के साथ बहुत बार होता है ईटिंग डिसऑर्डर्स, तो प्लीज अगर आप लोगों को प्रॉब्लम हो तो स्माइल करना है तो सलोनी से कांटेक्ट करें। सौरभ नेक्स्ट, प्लीज वेलकम सौरभ।
Good afternoon, everyone. I am very thankful to NIRC branch for giving me golden opportunity. We are prepared to presentation electric car. Project report: Car manufacturing of novel electric vehicles, India Private Limited, A143 Bislabdar Bhiwani, Haryana 127021, prepared by Saurabh Bhiwani, pin code 127021. Certificate: I, the undersigned Saurabh, student for CIPCC, hereby certificate to project work presented in this report is my own work, has been carried under the supervision of C.A. Narsingh Das Gupta, Faculty of Industry Training of Institute of Chartered Accountant, Bhiwani branch. This work has not been previously submitted to any other institute of university for any examination. C.A. Sandeep Jangda, Chairman. C.A. Narsingh Das Gupta, Vice Chairman. Acknowledgement: I feel great pleasure to present this report of electric car. I would like to heartily thanks to all persons who have helped me in this report, give me adequate guidance and information for preparing this report. I am very thankful to C.A. Narsingh Das Gupta for the internship training. Project glance: name of the firm, Nova Electric Vehicle Private Limited, India Private Limited. Address of the firm: 143 Bislabdar Bhiwani, Haryana. Type of the firm: partnership firm. Nature of the product: electric car. Companies with proposed name of brand: Audi e-tron GT. Partners name: Sanjay Soran और मानव बंसल और गौरव बंसल. Estimate cost of project: 2 crore. Market area: India as well as in the abroad. Introduction: This report has been promoted with the main objective of manufacture of electric car industrial estate, Bislabdar Bhiwani, Haryana. Total cost of project: 2 crore. Electric car is electronic product obtained from various kind of machinery, will help to manufacture it and made many different ways in different countries. Total cost of project 2 crores. Means of finance: fixed capital 1 crore 20 lakh, working capital 80 lakh. Management: Sanjay Soran will look after the marketing and trade setting as is completed marketing. All partners are working partners. Manav Bansal handle accountant, financial and professional, and he was experienced in the same field and hold BCom and CA. Gaurav Bansal sell handle production and designing, has a past experience of 2 years in same field and holds MBA. Capital ratio of all the partners is Sanjay Soran, Manav Bansal and Gaurav Bansal 30:40:30 respectively. Profit will be shared as capital ratio. The infrastructure available for site is good. There is a good transportation and communication facility. The other facility are as follows. Our site is located at Rohtak Road, where transportation and communication facility are good, so there will be no problem for the transportation. Electricity, 100 HP load will be required at your site, and the electricity requirement is easily fulfilled. Labor cheap and semi-skilled labor force is easily available in large quantities in the area. Therefore, the availability of labor is convenient and economic. Infrastructure, raw material. A raw material is the basic constant of all industry. Regular supply of raw material is by circle to the maintain flow of production can be reduced. Raw material of electric car is steel, glass, rubber, plastic, leather, electric loaders, etc. Transportation facility mainly required for distribution of finished product to the retailer and wholesaler. In the transportation cost is comparatively less as marketplace is away at a distance of 13 kilometers. Justification of location. Location of industry play a dominant role in the success or failure of the company. It has been rightly said that the mistake of selecting wrong site cannot be corrected with heavy losses. Selecting proper site, establishing SSI, increasing finance is major constant of SSI unit. The proposed location for establishment manufacture for road Biplab Bhiwani, government has declared as area as an industrial area in past due to government incentive and initiative. This area is developed very well with easy availability of infrastructure. Raw material of electric car. Steel car is main ingredients in making of car. Steel has carbon helps to stand the steel. Glass is one of the necessary ingredients in making of a car. Made for stand. Sand is melted down to 1700 Celsius to CS. From glass is fixed for the doors, back window, headlights, windscreen, backlights, etc. Rubber is one of the necessary ingredients making of a car. It is used making of tires, brakes, and etc. Raw material of electric car. Plastic is one of the ingredients of car. It is car obtained by natural resources, crude oil. It is fixed in many parts of electric car in its interior. Leather is obtained from natural resources, animals. It is used in the decoration of car interior as well as in gripping areas like steering, gear, etc. Future plan is evidence. Advanced thinking of the future activity. Every company has the ambition to achieve bright future, so they are starting at present to achieve the future target. Future plan is presentation of future activity and position. The following are future plan of electric car. Electric car is the ambition of leading company in the world. Company wants to launch different models. Electric car wants to have showroom all over India as well as in the world. Electric cars want to do business abroad and compete with the company. Risk factor. Competition. There is always risk of competition from exciting and potential unit will be there, but avoid the risk cost reduction from minimum utilization of resources. Use of good quality of raw material, operating efficiency will be helpful. Adaptively change. Constant takes place in quality and test the risk of
ability of the seller to reach their potential easily and with low cost. Online shopping helps in creating dynamic market as it enhances the ability of the businesses to improve their productivity, and as the competition increases, it enforces the businesses to provide better quality of goods to their customers.
Businesses are the far better way to hold the customers and for the wider reach of the customers. In today's digitalized world, we all are connecting through networks. As it is well said, change is the only constant, and this is the change. This is the demand of the time. We should all move towards the online system, as it is.
भी अगर कोई भी गैदरिंग मोर देन 50%, 100%, 150% as per guide.
At the marketplace, you first must win at the workplace. It simply means that you have a proper office culture to work, and I am totally with it. That means if you don't have a work culture, you don't have an.
As I want to correct you, there are no working hours in our profession. We have to work on the 15 to 12 or 12 Phillips, and as per the concern of the studies, we have to manage our system as we are the CA students. That is one of the toughest course. And as per the favors of the work from home, I would like to tell that we have many advantages like cost saving. Like if we, go to the place of crime and we are going to audit, then there are so many costs like reallocating ourselves and other costs like the accommodation and others. But if we work from home, we got simply out of it because of working from our home, and it provides a huge flexibility in our working culture. Like I also run an NGO named Green Society in Bhiwani. I am only able to work here because of the work from home, because we have many administrative meetings.
Sorry for interrupting. As you said that you have to work for 12 to 15 hours, that's just a few days or maybe few months. But this is a trend. Work from home is following as a trend, and you get fatigue of those so-called Zoom meetings, those Google Meets, I think. So you are not productive at work from home.
That's not actually true. We are productive. Even in we are currently auditing MCFL, McDowell Chemical and Fertilizer Limited, and here we are completing the audit in that.
Audit is just for 1 or 2 months, okay?
Yes, not just for 1.
What's your
opinion against the work from home? Work from home doesn't suit to everyone's personality, because in rural people, work from home need internet speed. But in rural, broadband speed are very low. We need to think about it. But as you say, the work from home work doesn't seem to end, and we don't know when to switch off the computer. Work from home all time running mode. Like our or in CA community, our big four PwC, Deloitte, Haskell. In these firms, or work from home goes on even night 1 p.m. 1 a.m.
She's right, as workspace is the basically biggest issue at work. So you can't design your proper workspace to work. You can't find any motivation. Your co-workers, because we all are at 20s and nearest, we go far from home to find a social culture. Those uncasual meetings around the coffee machine is.
I am declaring the judgment for PPT presenter. For PPT presenter, the second award will goes to Parul, 246.
तो बहुत बहुत दिल से धन्यवाद देना चाहूँगा कि इन्होंने अपना कीमती समय हमारे प्रोग्राम के लिए निकाला। जब हम इनसे इनको इनवाइट करने के लिए गए तो इन्होंने कहा कि मैं थोड़ा ही समय दे पाऊंगा, लेकिन इनका धीरे धीरे आप लोगों की इतना अच्छा प्रेजेंटेशन रहा कि इन्होंने पूरा टाइम हम लोगों को दिया। और मैं सुनील जी को
परम आदरणीय ऋषि भारद्वाज जी, एनडी गुप्ता जी, गणमान्य व्यक्ति और ICAI के भिवानी ऑफिस के सभी पदाधिकारी, सबसे पहले मैं अपनी खुशी का इजहार करते हुए आपका आभार व्यक्त करता हूं, अभिनंदन करता हूं कि इस मौके पर आपने मुझे आमंत्रित किया। ये एक महज औपचारिकता थी, लेकिन जैसे ही मुझे पता चला मैं सहर्ष से उपस्थित होने के लिए तैयार हो गया। क्योंकि मैं थोड़ा सा ज्यादा आस्तिक हूं। मेरे पेरेंट्स की इच्छा थी कि मैं भी CA करूं, लेकिन नहीं कर पाया मैं। होना वही है जो विधान ने लिखा हुआ है। तो मैं केवल 4 पंक्तियों के माध्यम से परमात्मा को समर्पित करता हूं कि भी उसकी रजा से जो कुछ होता है। खुदा की हर खुदाई को से मुझे सुकून मिलता है, उसकी रहमत से ही जग में कोई फूल खिलता है। करो ना अभिमान जीवन में, सुख की चादर का तू ओला। करो ना अभिमान जीवन में, सुख की चादर का तू ओला। अंधियारा करके पल भर में वही उजियार करता है। अंधियारा करके पल भर में सभी विद्वान लोग बैठे हैं। हमारा प्रोफेशन और आप लोगों का प्रोफेशन इट्स क्वाइट डिफरेंट, लेकिन इट्स ए फॉर्चुनेट फॉर मी बीइंग स्टूडेंट्स ऑफ कॉमर्स I have been associated with this type of the activity because in 1984-85 I joined ICWA at Delhi Lodhi Road Institute, but in between I left it and I had to go to this teaching profession. But since from that time, during these 33 years of teaching, I had a very happy and motivational experience, particularly from the students, because in my opinion teacher is always a learner and the students teaches the teacher. मैं ICAI के सभी पदाधिकारी जिनके प्रयासों के द्वारा भिवानी में ये ऑफिस खुला, जो कि एक मील का पत्थर साबित होगा। मैं कल ही कह रहा था सचिन जी को कि भी जीवन में पौधा कोई लगाता है और उसका फल कोई प्राप्त करता है, और यही एक संसार का सार है, फिलॉसफी है। आप लोगों के प्रयास से जो ये एक संस्था बनी है, आज पता क्या तो लगभग यहाँ 1100 विद्यार्थी इससे जुड़े हुए हैं, और एक टाइम होगा कि भिवानी का जो ऑफिस है इसमें इतने विद्यार्थी होंगे कि जो न केवल अपने उत्थान के लिए बल्कि समाज में रोजगार उपलब्ध कराने के लिए और राष्ट्र निर्माण के लिए एक उनका अहम योगदान होगा। इन शुभकामनाओं के साथ मैं एक बार फिर सभी पदाधिकारी उनको और मेरे गणमान्य व्यक्ति उनको आदर के साथ उनका अभिनंदन करता हूं और स्वागत करता हूं, और सभी एस्पिरेंट्स जो ICWA के जो फैकल्टी मेंबर्स हैं या एफिनिटी है, उनके लिए मैं शुभकामनाएं व्यक्त करता हूं कि परमात्मा उनको बहुत शीघ्र ही अपनी डिग्री कंप्लीट करने में आशीर्वाद दें, और फिर वो समाज, क्योंकि ये प्रोफेशन ऐसा है जो स्वयं के लिए नहीं समाज के लिए काम करता है। एक CA कम से कम 2, 4, 5, 10 से लोगों को रोजगार देता है, जो कि राष्ट्र निर्माण में एक अहम भूमिका निभाते हैं। इसलिए मैं अपने हृदय की गहराइयों से उनके लिए शुभकामनाएं करता हूँ, परमात्मा से प्रार्थना करता हूँ कि सफलता उनके कदमों में हो। धन्यवाद। जय हिंद।